If you want to completely deactivate Gemini or Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we should be able to scroll down and we need to go to Google Services. Next we're going to tap on All Services in here and we should be able to scroll down in order to find the Search Assistant and Voice option. Now once we go over here we should be able to go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant. Scroll down a little bit, and in fact if you do use Gemini you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google and you want to switch to Google Assistant over here. Next we need to proceed to General Settings, and then in here we can find Google Assistant option, so we need to turn it off over here. And that's pretty much all. However, what you can also do is if we go back to Settings over here, we should be able to go to Advanced Features, then go to the side button, and then over here we have the long press. Usually in here the Digital Assistant is selected, so you can switch to power off menu. So if you press and hold the power button, you will not activate Gemini. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.